Didn't see you there. Hi, I'm Robbie McMedia Center. You may remember me from such educational films as Exactly Which Side of the Stairwell Do I Walk On?
What about safety on the stairs? Everyone knows to keep to the right, so we don't bump into people coming the other way.
And the very popular Snakes! Today's video presentation is entitled, So You've Got to Pick a Style of Video to Make for a Class Assignment. We'll break down this topic and show you the pros and cons of a few popular video styles. It's gonna be great. Now I'm gonna pass it along to one of our librarians, Jason.
Thanks, Robbie. So good to be here. Deciding what style of video to make for your assignment is part of pre-production and the first step towards finishing your video project. Don't be daunted. We'll go over what each style takes to make your video successful, and you can judge the pros and cons for yourself to pick a winner for you. And remember, these are just suggestions. Anything is possible, but choosing a style like one of these and using our tips may help save some time and get you on the path to making your video a success while you navigate your busy life as a student, or if you're new to this and want some extra guidance to make something that you would want to watch again and more quickly. We suggest choosing from the following 3 styles to make an efficient video. A video essay, or a presentation of images or slides narrated by a voiceover with no faces on camera. A talking head video, or a video of a person presenting information mixed with images, like a news report. Or a live action video, a video that feels like a movie or sketch with acting, perhaps multiple actors, and interspersed slides, images, or other videos. All 3 choices are good choices, but maybe this helpful diagram will make it easier for you to choose what's right for you. Oh wait, I mean this one. As you can see, all 3 choices require the following: good audio, a script, editing, and pre-made images or slides, usually. Sometimes you may just shoot all the video, but probably you'll need a slide or an image even when you're doing that. The real differences come in how much other stuff you need to make. If you choose the video essay, you'll need 1 actor who's not on screen. If you choose talking head or live action, both require the following additional stuff: original video, video audio, teleprompter, camera, and tripod. And for a talking head video, you'll need to be on screen. And in a live action video, you may have 1 or more actors on screen, making audio and time management a little more tricky. In short, a video essay requires the least amount of equipment and time management, since no one has to be on screen. Let's watch a video essay, or a collection of still or moving images that play over scripted voiceover narration.
While most movies use orchestral scores or popular songs to immerse the audience in their film, Moonlight uses what's called chopped and screwed music to move the narrative forward. But what is chopped and screwed music exactly? According to Wikipedia, chopped and screwed is a music genre and technique of remixing music that involves slowing down the tempo and DJing. The screwed technique, invented by Houston producer DJ Screw, involves slowing the tempo of a song down to 60 and 70 quarter note beats per minute, and applying techniques such as skipping beats, record scratching, stop time, and affecting portions of the original composition to create a chopped up version of the song.
Video essays offer familiarity. They're related to the kinds of presentations and papers you're already used to, since they rely completely on a script, do not require you to appear on camera or even shoot original video. They incorporate images that you can make in presentation software or that you can download, and even allow some video creativity if you choose to use titles in your video editor. This particular video essay explores the movie Moonlight, so much of the imagery comes from that movie. You also saw some still images and some titles, and the creator also used multiple audio sources, since the essay was about music in the movie. In short, to make a good video essay, you need to do the following, and for efficiency, in the following order. Write your script completely and write it with a wide audience in mind, meaning no jargon or undefined concepts. Do not record anything until your script is done. Read your script out loud before you record, and if you find that it's hard to read out loud, edit it so that it's easier to read. This is called making it conversational. A video essay is essentially a podcast that is decorated with moving or still images. So once your script has been edited, go through it and make a list of what images you want to have on screen while your voiceover is playing. Then find or make those images. Don't do this part backwards. Your images come from your script and not the other way around. Make sure the images you get are high quality, meaning high resolution. If you use Google Image Search, first Google how to download the best images from Google Image Search. And if you use video, make sure you download high quality videos. If you make slides, be sure to export them in the highest quality image file possible. Record your script in a quiet place using the best microphone you can and reading from a script that isn't paper. It is absolutely worth your time to edit the recording using an audio editor because if you do that, you don't have to worry about starting over every time you make a mistake. In fact, hit record, read everything, and if you make a mistake, just take a beat and then start that sentence over. It is very, very easy to cut out mistakes so long as you make sure to get everything right once. And editors like Audacity and GarageBand, although free, record in the same high quality as the most expensive audio editors. They work well and are easy to use. Now export your audio recording and then put it into a video editor. Editors like CapCut, iMovie, and DaVinci Resolve are all free and will all create high-quality outcomes. Use what makes the most sense for you. Your voiceover will dictate what images come on screen and when. It's a recipe. When you've finished editing, export your file as a video file anyone can watch. Don't worry, your friends in the Robertson Media Center can help with this if it's intimidating. Let's watch a version of a talking head video, one in which a person is speaking on camera combined with a collection of still or moving images.
My name is A.D. Carson. I'm assistant professor of hip hop in the Global South. I am a rapper, try to make art that hopefully people listen to.
Talking head videos are familiar ways to share information visually, and they give the audience a face to connect with when receiving information. Talking head videos require original video, which means more equipment and more planning, since original video probably also means capturing audio and video simultaneously. You saw in this one how nice the audio capture setup was in the studio. The Robertson Media Center has a video studio that is already set up to capture video and audio both well and simultaneously. And you'll notice that all of the audio in this video came from the studio, mixed with video footage of the central figure doing things on grounds. Talking head videos are more technically complex than video essays because they require more equipment and confidence with the camera. But otherwise, the rules are the same. Write a script and edit it to make it appeal to a wide audience. Create a shot list before you start capturing footage, and make sure you have your audio capture plan in mind too. Remember, your images come from your script, and then you incorporate that shot list into your script, essentially making a screenplay to guide you through editing. If you have a voiceover, record and edit it first. If you are using pre-made images or video, make sure they are of the best quality you can get. When you capture your video, make sure that if people are speaking on camera, you're capturing their audio with a microphone into an editor or directly into the camera. Then incorporate your simultaneously captured audio and video into the video editor on top of the voiceover. You can probably use CapCut or iMovie successfully, but you may find that a more powerful editor like DaVinci Resolve is more helpful because it will offer more tracks to edit on. It just depends on your plan. Follow your script/screenplay while editing, and then export your video into a format that anyone can watch. Again, don't worry, your friends in the Robertson Media Center can help with this if it's intimidating. This is an example of a live action video, and it should look pretty familiar. It's essentially a short film.
We live in the age of information. In fact, we have become information ourselves, attached constantly to our iLife through the chip integrated in our body. Yeah, we've become data producers, and the value of the data being determined by education, social status, work, and so on. However, the reward we get in exchange for the data got everyone hyped about the system. Basically, it's our new currency, a much more intimate currency.
Good morning. Today is a beautiful day. Don't forget to work hard for your data. You know yesterday you didn't produce enough.
Okay.
This particular live-action video is fictional, but you can make entertaining non-fiction live-action movies too. That's a very connective way to share information. This is probably the most complicated of our 3 suggestions because it probably means multiple camera setups, multiple audio setups, and multiple people working on it. But if it excites you, you'll probably put a lot into it and get a lot out of it. All the same rules apply that applied to video essays and talking head videos, but with more planning. Script, which may require multiple actors. Shot list, which will likely be more complex than a talking head video. Screenplay, which may require multiple locations. Recording, and if it includes voiceover, both audio only and audio plus video capture. Audio capture while recording video if your people are speaking on screen, using a microphone into an external recorder or the camera. Editing, which will require multiple tracks on timelines and may necessitate a more complex video editor like DaVinci Resolve. But, once again, don't worry, your friends in the Robertson Media Center can help with this if it's intimidating.
Thanks, Jason. Whoa, Nelly! Look at how great that turned out. Sure, it may seem like a lot of steps, but a video essay, talking head video, a live action video, or any video is so similar to writing a research paper that you've got all the tough stuff under control already. And when I say tough stuff, I mean writing, research, and gathering resources. Recording and editing can sure seem tricky, but it's a lot easier when you have all of your pieces in place. And there are instructions all over Google and LinkedIn Learning and actual human beings in the Robertson Media Center who can help you with the technical part. So go ahead, make a video.
And now, a brief message from our sponsors. The Robertson Media Center is a wonderful place to make your project. Nestled in the picturesque hills of Northern Clemens Library, the RMC provides equipment, spaces, and friendly faces to make sure your media project shines. Learn how to record a podcast, make a short video or video essay, or just find your source of creativity today.
Side effects may include creativity, fun, or forgetting that you're making an assignment. Not void or valid, or not prohibited, whatever that means. Not responsible for the consequences of catching the creativity bug. Not liable for making creativity so entertaining you'll forget you're making an assignment.
Stupid TV.